Hello and welcome to this short video guiding you through the steps you need to take in order to set up InCountry's managed package for Salesforce. My name is Mohammed and I'm working as a senior solutions engineer at InCountry. InCountry allows you to bring your SaaS applications such as Salesforce into compliance with data residency and data localization rules. The managed package which InCountry has set up includes all of the necessary Apex classes, Lightning Web Components, and metadata that allow you to send regulated data to registered InCountry endpoints. Let's begin by looking at certificate and key management in setup. The package uses certificates to establish secure TLS connection with InCountry's point of presence to ensure that only authorized Salesforce orgs can make calls to the InCountry point of presence. Secondly, I'd like to take you to permission sets within users. And we can see here that we have the InCountry admin and the InCountry user permission set. Permission sets are used to control visibility for different components from the InCountry managed package. For example, only users with the InCountry admin permission set are authorized to change the package configuration. Next up, I'll be taking you to custom metadata types, and we can find that within custom code. The InCountry managed package administrator should register the InCountry point of presence within Salesforce so that the package will know which countries it should send requests to. By default, the package does not contain any certificates or endpoints. Data regulation policies will work when a user registers at least one InCountry point of presence and uploads the relevant certificates. If we go back to custom metadata types and InCountry flag, we can see here in the backend that some InCountry flags have been set up. So I'll take you now to the settings tab, which is your hub for configuration of the InCountry managed package. InCountry flags are used as a feature toggle that allow you to quickly enable or disable particular features. For example, if country ISO from user profile is enabled, then the application will take the user's country from his profile instead of detecting his country from the IP address. When the InCountry point of presence endpoint is registered, a user needs to add his endpoint to remote site settings. Let's take a look at that now. Adding this endpoint to remote site settings allows Salesforce to trust the InCountry point of presence. You will find that in the latest version of our package, this is now done automatically. InCountry customers should work with their data and compliance teams to prepare a list of regulated objects and fields within their CRM. Only these objects and fields will be stored in InCountry. Users should then add each object and each field to the package configuration via the settings page. And we can see here that I've selected the contact object. We have a default policy for record level redaction in Saudi Arabia. And here we can find a useful summary of the 3 integration models which we support and their key parameters, which are data storage location and where data is viewable from. And finally, I'd like to show you the PII field section where we can see some pre-configured fields that are subject to the InCountry Data Residency implementation. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.